brilliant tips how to disinfect your kitchen. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Our homes are supposed to be a safe haven where we can relax and recuperate from what we've encountered out in the world. Unfortunately, we wind up bringing home the world and all its germs through dirty hands, shoes, clothing, and phones. Kitchen surfaces can not only harbor the bacteria we transfer from our hands and belongings, but also foodborne bacteria, so it is particularly important to disinfect items properly in the kitchen. How to disinfect hard surfaces in the kitchen? Every light fixture, cabinet, and appliance in your kitchen has some type of handle or control panel that's touched each time it is turned on or opened. If any surface is touched after raw food is prepared or before hands are washed, bacteria like Salmonella, Listeria, E. coli, mold, and yeast can be present. All of these surfaces should be cleaned multiple times daily, especially after food preparation, with disinfecting wipes. Wipes are convenient and easy to use, but don't use just one wipe in an attempt to disinfect an entire kitchen. There must be enough of the disinfecting solution left by the wipe to leave a surface visibly wet for at least 4 minutes while air drying to be effective. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. How to disinfect food preparation areas and tools? Many disinfecting products, including ones with chlorine bleach, are not safe to use in food preparation areas without an added step of a rinse after disinfecting. That's why you need hard surface sanitizer. Surfaces are safe to touch nearly instantly without rinsing, and it contains no bleach or ammonia. Hard surface sanitizer is unscented and can be used to clean fruits and vegetables as well as kitchen surfaces. How to disinfect utensils, dishes, and glassware? If you are using an automatic dishwasher with the proper water temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit and a dishwasher detergent that contains chlorine bleach as one of the ingredients, you can rest assured that eating utensils, dishes, and glassware are disinfected and free of bacterial growth. When hand-washing dishes, wash as usual and add a final soak in a solution of 1 tablespoon of unscented chlorine bleach per 1 gallon of cool water for 2 minutes before draining the solution and allowing the dishes to air dry. Do not use on silver, aluminum or chip enamel. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the top 3 areas in your house need to clean regularly to prevent coronavirus. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.